Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this grungy bridal look. So I really hope you guys do enjoy this. Also, it is sad for me to say that this is going to be the last Bridal Madness Monday because I'm getting married June 16th and next week is going to be a pre-filmed video. I'm going to have pre-films until I think the 23rd. I think it was the 23rd, I think I had it up until, but everything's gonna be pre-filmed till then. So I hope you guys, enjoyed the Bridal Madness Monday series, and if you guys would like me to start it up again, let me know down in the comments below, and I will be happy to do that for you guys. But if you do like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you guys a part of this channel and part of my family. It would mean so much to me, you guys, so I really hope you do enjoy this look. And I'm just saying, I am in love with this waterline. Like, it's just a black in the waterline. In love with it. I love it. So let's just jump into this video. Guys, so I just went ahead and concealed my eyes and set them with some translucent powder. So I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Everyday Smoky palette. I think it's Everyday or Smoky palette. I'm not sure which one. But this is what it looks like. It's just very plain, simple, smoky kind of colors. So I'm just going to be taking my favorite crease brush. I'm just going to be going into, I think, this shade right there. I'm probably never going to use that yellow. Like, I wouldn't use that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in. And I haven't used this palette yet. I did get it in a haul not too long ago. So I'll try to link it above if I can find it. Next, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. What is it called? The Saturday Sunset palette, and that's what it looks like. It's pretty much just like all these are shimmer, and that's the only matte shade. It's very beautiful. It's a perfect everyday kind of travel-friendly palette. I'm just going to be taking a different crease brush. It's a more of a fluffier, I think it's fluffier. And it's more a dome shape instead of being very particular. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip into that matte shade and just go into the crease where we put that first shade. I'm going to be going into this slate color right here on a different brush. This is what I like to use to pack on the colors, but also be able to put into my crease. I feel it is definitely a lot more denser than the other ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick that up with that brush and really tap off the excess. I'm just going to be putting that in my outer V. I'm going to go back into this shade right here that we used into the crease as a transition shade. I'm going to be using it with this brush. So it's going to help blend out any of the dark areas that we put into the crease to help everything blend further. Next I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. highlighter. It's the shade Blush Gems. I'm just going to be putting it on my eyelid. I'm going to be stopping it right where that dark starts. I'm going to go back into this shade once more and re-blend out the darker edges and make sure everything meshes well, because I do think I accidentally took it over a little too much on the end, so I'm just going to go and help re-blend everything. Next I'm going to go into Saturday Sunsets and take this color right here on a finger. It's a really beautiful, like, pinky shimmery shade. I mean, it looks shimmery and like the thing, but yeah. I'm just going to be putting that in the inner portion, like right near my tear duct, to kind of give it like an eye-opening effect. And these are really, really creamy and buttery feeling. They just feel so soft. And this was only like $5. I mean, this is perfect for travel, I have to admit. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off of camera. For brows, I used my Kokie Precise Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. My brows are looking very cousinly and not like twins. Oh well, it is what it is. So I'm going to be taking my Essence Waterproof Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. Like, I love it. So I'm just going to be doing like a small little line. I'm not going to be doing anything ridiculous. Just a small little line to kind of emphasize my lash line. So just like that. I don't know why. It's weird because the lines, my eyeliner with my left hand looks worse, and I'm a lefty, and then eyeliner with my right hand comes out better, and I can't do much with my right hand. I mean, I can, but like with scissors and stuff like that. But with like eyeliner, I can't blend with my right hand, but I can do eyeliner with my right hand. And mascara as well. It could also be like my eye shape slightly different. I'm not sure. Right hand, left hand, which do you think is better? Leave comments down below. I would love to know what you guys think. So after that, I'm just going to be taking, I think I'm just going to go and take, going into this shade that we use on the outer V. I'm just going to go and put that right on the outer portion of our lashes underneath. I'm just going to be taking it on a small little brush like that. I'm just going to work it right up against the lash line. Now lately I've just been loving like a clean look, but figured for today why not do something a little bit different. And I'm going to be taking the slanted side. My hair gets on everything. I'm going to go back into that shade and really kind of go against the lashes to really smoke that out. Though I do prefer my method a little bit more of just being really sloppy with my mascara. But, you know, everyone's different. So, I mean, I just find it easier. And by the end of the day, it gives it the same effect. They both look the same. So I'm just going to go and drag that underneath. And kind of bring it up like that. Sorry, my cats are fighting each other. I'm going to be taking it on the slanted side and just really pressing it against the lashes. That way it gives a nice smoky effect. Then I'm going into this shade, which is a nice shimmery kind of silver color. I'm taking that slanted side and just putting that right on the inner corner, right in the inner tear duct. Honestly, you don't see much of a difference, but okay, yeah, you do. Actually, I'm just gonna go and swoop that underneath as well to go and see if I can get it like pretty shimmery looking. Not really. But I'm just going to go ahead and do that to the other side. One thing I'm not afraid to is like to play with makeup, you know. If it doesn't look good, it doesn't look good. Then you know what to do, you know, next time. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my carbon. I should probably break out the waterproof. I'm going to be hopping into this Carbon Black mascara and popping that on. So I went ahead and applied some black eyeliner into my waterline on both eyes, obviously. And I thought I was recording, but I added some cream blush. This is the Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush. There's no shade name, but I just put that on. I tapped it on with my finger and then blended it out with a clean finger to really make it nice and blended. I blended it back into my, put on the apples and I blended it back so that way it looks a little bit more natural for you guys. So I'm just going to be taking a lip color. Just going to be taking the NARS Satin Lip Pencil in the shade Rikugin, or yeah, that's what it looks like. It's just a very neutral kind of color. I need to find a mirror. But I'm just going to go ahead and put that on. Alright, you guys, so this is a finished look. It came out very, very grungy. I honestly did not know what I was even going to do. I just knew the palettes that I wanted to use, and that was about it. But I really like how this look came out. It came out very beautiful, and I'm really, really stoked. Like, I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder because I'm kind of in love with how the bottom water lash line looks, like how grungy it is. I don't know, I'm just kind of like obsessed with it right now. So I really hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.